What's happening, travel friends? This is the T24 Sling bag from TumTuk, and I am going to take this on a 3-day trip to Amsterdam. This is all I'm going to bring. I'm going to pack out all of my clothes and my remote work travel setup. I'm not talking about tulip season Amsterdam. I'm talking about cold weather Amsterdam. It might rain, and I'm going to sleep in a pod where I share a bathroom with people half of my age, all to show you how to pack light and have fun sleeping in a pod. This video is not sponsored by TumTuk. We just really like the bag. We're going on a trip. If you have been to Amsterdam, let me know in the comments below. I'm super excited. If you also wouldn't mind hitting the like and subscribe button, it would really help me out as a 40-year-old who's showing people how to pack. We're going to break this into 3 parts. First, I'm going to break down the bag. Then I'm going to quickly go over the clothes I'm going to bring. And then we're going to hit accessories and toiletries. Let's go. The TumTuk Sling. I love this versatile little pack. It is not really meant for a 3-day trip, but we're going to test it out. So first of all, you have a nice durable material on the outside. You can tell we beat ours up, weathered it a little bit. We have a flat pocket right here. Could fit a few slim things. Not very secure, so we might not want to put a passport in there. And then we have our hidden pocket back here. That's where you can store your important materials, and you have one strap. This sling is versatile because you can go from one side to the other, switching shoulders as you see fit. We have a nice mesh pocket here in the front, and then we have some storage and organization options that we won't be able to take advantage of, but great for day pack use. We will use the laptop sleeve that will come in handy. Here's a quick breakdown of the clothes. Pair of shorts, 2 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of long socks to stay warm. That's going to be important. 2 pairs of pants. Then we have our plain outfit up at the top, a thick hoodie, a jacket, and a long sleeve. And we have 2 black long sleeve shirts and 2 short sleeve shirts. We're going to put this in a medium size wandered packing cube. Let's do it. Up at the top, we have our plain outfit ready to go. And then coming down, starting with the most important item, the sleep mask. You have to travel with one of these. I absolutely love this one. I'll link it in the description below. Then we have an affordable MagSafe charger for your phone coming in around $29. Then we have our Kindle to stay smart, some storage for all our video files, laptop so we can get some work done. This is how we're gonna power everything with our Epica block. I've gotten some flack on taking this one as people say it's too big, but it creates a whole charging station. Then we have some cable management in that gooder pouch, DJI camera to capture it all, a buff to keep us warm, and many other things. The Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses, which I love traveling with and did a video on. I'll link it above. And then we have our super minimal toiletry kit pack out with some Foaming soap sheets, flat pack hand sanitizer, toothbrush, and toothpaste. Let's go. Packed out. Rental car returned. Let's roll.
We have minutes to spare. I got raindrops all over me. It's raining. I'm stressed.
Some people have a sense of direction. That would be me. Some people have a sense of adventure. That would be Allie.
Me.
So what a team we make. You got your direction guy and your adventure lady.
There's our bus. It's leaving.
Amsterdam, here we come. Never seen this airport this busy. We rushed through the airport to find a little time for some lounge access, which came in very handy later. Snacks. We're on a Ryanair bus. This is a first for me, but we have completed our lounge experience and we have checked through. And since we're packing so light in an actual sling bag, we're gonna have no problem getting on the flight, and we had no problem passing the Ryanair bag test. To interview. We have a rowdy group going to Amsterdam with us, which is gonna be fun. Maybe we'll find them tonight for a party. You know what's really cool? I have 3 muffins, a croissant, and a pineapple juice cocktail all in this jacket. You can't even tell. It's in the jacket. I'm gonna have a picnic on Ryanair plane, and they didn't even stop me. So excited. I did see you take one last peek at the snacks as you were running by, but there wasn't enough time to grab anything, I guess.
No, I was in panic mode. I really wanted it though.
Yes, I will share my snacks. And of course, we were put in an exit row, so I can't even show off how slim and easy it is to fit the TumTuk Sling under the seat. And yes, the snacks. Pineapple juice, muffins, and I did share with Allie. We have made it to Amsterdam. Survived our Ryanair flight, had a little picnic, and now we're on our way to our sleep pod. Yes, as 40-year-olds, we booked a sleep pod. Wait, you're not in it with me?
No.
Let's do the robe together.
Not comfortable with it.
I've never seen you get in the bed that fast.
Yeah, in my robe.
Can't wait to show it to you and let you know how we saved a little bit of money by booking on a certain platform. The complimentary robe. I mean, this comes with your place in the City Hub. Like, you don't get this up at the Ritz-Carlton. Oh, maybe you do. It's probably a nicer robe too. At City Hub, they do have a host on premises, but you can check in with your QR code, get your bracelet, and then make your way down to your sleep pod. We're sleeping in a pod tonight. Wow. Oh, this is cool. Wait, it just got uncool. This is tiny. Allie had a work meeting she needed to jump on, and then we went out and hit the streets. The other amazing piece to the Sling is while you're traveling, it makes for a great day bag. We're actually out here exploring in Amsterdam on our way to a food tour. And we booked this food tour through a platform called Planin. Now, Planin is a really cool platform because you can follow creators' recommendations. So, Allie and I have an account on there, and we can recommend some of the exact places and activities that we've been to and done. The really cool piece is you get 40% off certain hotels. So I'll put a QR code up on the screen right now, and you can scan that if you want to sign up for an account. That's totally free. Instead of going on a random booking platform and getting recommendations from people that you don't know, you can follow creators that you know and trust, and we can recommend some of the exact places or activities we've done. Now, you can stay at hotels or you can do these guided experiences through Get Your Guide, which is what we booked today. A food tour in the beautiful town of Amsterdam. So we're gonna go try some stroopel waffles and see what this place is all about. Our guide, Roman, is killing this. We are just about to walk through Jordan, this really quaint, eclectic town, and get some of the best apple pie here in Amsterdam. Wow. We just finished up the food tour in Amsterdam with Roman. It was so amazing. Highly recommend it. I'll link it below. He is going to give us our best food to try. If you're coming to Amsterdam from afar, where were they going to go?
Thank you so much, Gio. It was a pleasure to have you on the tour. So my recommendation will be to try some Indonesian food during your stay here, because it used to be colonized by the Dutch, so they are crazy about it. And you can have like a rich tafel. It's a table of rice. It's a sample of every dishes of the menu in small quantity to share. So such a nice experience. And just trying some Dutch food with me.
Yes,
Yeah?
amazing. I never would have guessed. Oh man, I'm just working on the edit. I get done with that part. I'm just filled with energy even hearing him talk. What an amazing tour guide. What a beautiful French accent when he is speaking English. He is also so infectious and so knowledgeable. I will link the tour in the description. Don't forget to sign up through Planin to support the channel and Roman. We actually ended up saving a few euros by using Planin. And what would you do in Amsterdam with 10 extra euros? I'd put it all on red. I'm gonna put it all on red. Because we are in the Netherlands, home of Amsterdam. So many bike jams, I don't give a damn. Because we are in Amsterdam. We went in with 10 euros and we came out with 2.
Yeah.
So Amsterdam just took us. It was a great experience. Allie's first time in a casino.
First time in a casino.
So we had fun doing that, but yeah, lost 8 euros. Welcome to our hub, our sleep pod. Allie gets to sleep up top. And if you come down and follow me, there's a little bed area under here that I go in. Just kidding. 3 quick positives and 3 quick negatives. The positives are, it's cheap. They've also dialed in the experiences. You have bracelets that you can scan when you go in and out. You scan your bracelet for coffee, for a drink if you want it. There's a workspace out there. The showers and the bathrooms are really nice, even though they're shared. So if you want a quick place to stop, you're here for a 2 or 3 day trip, and you don't mind sleeping in a sleep pod, then I would recommend the City Hub. The 3 negatives are, it is small, so you don't have any room for storage as far as luggage goes in your room. Number 2, shared facilities, like sharing a bathroom and a shower bothers you, and it is a bit of a pain if you go to the bathroom in the middle of the night or something. And number 3, you run the risk of it being loud. Because we are in the Netherlands. We have had a great experience, been super quiet, but you're obviously in a common room with, I think there's 55 pods in here, so there potentially could be 100 other people in here if it's the busy season. I have to share this quick experience where at our hub earlier, I was feeling a little bit down. It's sometimes hard to get up and get out in these places to make a video. And got myself out, energized by the city in Amsterdam, and then a subscriber recognized me. And it's not about, everybody recognizing me wherever I go. It was just the first time it has ever happened, and a lot of effort goes into making these videos. So to have somebody stop me on the streets of Amsterdam and tell me they just watched the video was just so touching and cool. I'm gonna flash the footage.
Met a subscriber in person. That is amazing. Yeah. What's your name?
Nevin
Nevin.
from Spring Team.
Spring Team.
Spring, yeah.
Which is
Gen AI, amazing. Spring AI, the best framework to do the stuff on
Java framework.
Java framework to do AI stuff.
The lesson here is get yourself out there and do the thing. Whatever it is, do the thing. I've been working on this vision and this strategy and this YouTube stuff for over 3 years now, and it's finally starting to pay off just a little bit because of you guys. So thank you. And thank you to Nevin. The stay at City Hub was actually pretty enjoyable. Pack up and pack out was easy. Packing cube back in the bag with some pants on top, a tight zipper up, and then we were out. There you have it, Amsterdam with only a sling bag and sleeping in a pod that is smaller than most American refrigerators. Turns out you can travel light. You just need good coffee and really good company. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll really like this one, where I break down the Travel Pro bag and actually dress up like a pilot. Or this one, where I talk about 9 tech travel essentials that are great to have on your next trip. Thanks for being here.